Rua do Seminário, street of the seminary, and we're gonna walk down our street. This is kind of the base of the street, and there's a lot of cool stuff around here, including this right here. Look at that. You got some Seminary of São Jose, Portuguese, Chinese here, 1728. So 1758 is another date in there, and it basically tells you all about it. You can read it, and and this is kind of the two rare examples of Baroque architecture in China. So all the ruins in this one. So anyways, that is part of our video for walking down Rua do Seminário, because we're just going to walk right down by it, alongside of it, and then you can kind of see a little bit of it through the beginning part here. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so that's going to be our focus right here. Before we go down, there's a Macau Red Cross. I think they're doing testing. They're doing the testing for the whole city for 3 days, based on 3 COVID cases that happened in the last 36 hours or so. Right down there, there's another beautiful temple straight down, and it's a nice contrast because it's interesting because they mentioned Sao Paulo ruins and Baroque architecture. This has Baroque architecture. Sao Paulo ruins has like a little shrine, like a Buddhist shrine, and there's also a beautiful shrine right straight ahead, right there. I have filmed in there before, Rua de São Jose, so I don't think I'll film it today because I want to focus on the Seminário Street, but it is right there. And I do want to show you a little bit before we go down. This is actually a different street name. This is called Rua de Prata, so but you can see some other kind of beautiful architecture, those yellow ones right over there, and there's also a beautiful church around the corner, São Lorenzo, and this is our seminary. So we're going to walk down the Rua do Seminário, kind of see a little bit of it. JHS. It is right there. Beautiful. Okay, so we're going to walk down our Seminário Street. Yeah, I think the Macau Red Cross. I wonder what that's all about. We'll find out in a minute. Looks like they blocked off some of the parking here, and I think they're all wearing red and white. So I don't know, something's either happening down in this area. It's a little patio. Looks kind of interesting though. Macau has filled these little patios like this one, just like little dead-end streets. So I don't know exactly what's going on. We'll have to go across here anyways. Let's try to go across like this. There we go. So now we have that street down that way, this street, and this street. Gotta get out of my street here a little bit. Pretty cool. Okay. This is kind of cool. This little shop right there. Rua do Seminário. We did another street recently where we did Lago do Aquino, which is this one right here, and we went around that way. I'll just kind of show you real quick. Has some beautiful little park. It kind of overlooks a hill a little bit. Kind of a cool little street. So that's right off of our Rua do Seminário Street. Oh, that looks beautiful. Oh, now you can also see a good image of Rua do the seminary right up there too. That might be São Lorenzo's church as well. The seminary is kind of hard to get into because it's because there's all this kind of buildings all the way across like that. Okay. keep on exploring though. Yeah, it's kind of interesting, right? That Seminary has like a flat level while we're kind of going downhill a little bit right now. Tabao. So these little tabao shops, you can get stuff from mainland China. You can get tabao things, and it's really, really cheap. And that's a little collection center, so you can pick it up in those places. They'll order it for you, and then I think they go over to the border and pick it up, bring it into Macau. It's all made in China. Huado Seminario might come to an end right here. We'll see if it continues or if it ends. Whatever it does, looks pretty cool too. That looks really beautiful, that little architecture right there. And I think the next street here is Alfageda, which is a lot of Filipino shops are straight that way. So a lot of businesses. Let's kind of take a look down here. And I think this is all going to divide up, but that's the beauty of this building right here. It's on Huado Seminario. And it looks like our street keeps going down that way, so it angles down left. So we're going to take that. It's going to marvel at how beautiful this building is. That looks so cool. It's really cool. Okay, so we're back on our street level. So we're going to walk down this one. And there's our continued street right here, Huado Seminario, street of the seminary. Pretty cool. So we're going to then we're going to take a look at that right there. That woman just she gave me the finger. I didn't think I captured it. It's fine, I don't really care. This one is looks like a part of the Filipino community. Pretty cool. Got like a little Vietnamese looking hat. I don't know if that was intentionally gave me the finger or not, but she definitely had her middle finger pointed directly towards me. Maybe she was trying to hold something, but when I looked at her, her finger went down. So I don't know, I'm not really sure. I didn't really capture her on film that I'm aware of. That looks pretty cool right there. Beautiful. Somebody really beautified that. Put all these beautiful plants all the way like that. It's nice. Yeah, a lot of times I feel like I'm capturing Macau. That looks really nice too. Whoever owns this property is doing makes it really beautiful. All those little plants and trees like that. That's nice. And they're probably somebody that lives in this area. Yeah, I kind of see myself as documenting the city of Macau, capturing it in time, exactly what it's like in 2021. I think that's the end of the street. It's pretty cool though. Yeah, that's nice too. Wow. I like all these buildings right here. Just the beauty of them. You know, just these big line of like balcony kind of stuff and stuff to overlook the street. It goes all the way down to Sunset Park, and then it goes into where the river would be, Pont 16 and such. That's the name of this street right here, the cross street. Before we leave this one, I just want to capture that little inside of that thing and to see if we can step in a little bit. Oh yeah, that looks pretty cool. So I think that's, wow, look how clean that is. So that's just a little tiny little patio. It's probably private, so I won't go in. But that is really clean. A lot of times people will drop stuff out, and I don't think I've ever seen such a clean patio before. So whoever owns this building really beautifies it. Wow, it's amazing. Okay, so that's Huado Seminario. Hope you like that one as well. I just really like this a lot too. It's so cool.